Hi, this is Simon Leung from simonleung.com and fluencysecrets.com. Yo! And today, let's talk about one of the biggest secrets to pronouncing words like a native, the schwa sound.
Schwa,
Schwa.
schwa.
Not exactly like that, but hey, thanks for trying. 蛙鸣schwa sang ma.
不是吗？
The schwa sound is actually one of the most common sounds in English, but it can also be confusing because it isn't even pronounced as schwa or make any sounds even remotely like schwa. And it can actually be represented by any letter of the alphabet.
Can you guess the sound?
Yes, that's it. You got it. Yep. Huh? This has it too. What? That one as well.
Are you confused yet?
Let me explain. When the English language is spoken in conversation, words are often reduced. More on these reductions on future videos.
I kid.
In words with two or more syllables, there will also be stressed and unstressed syllables. That's why it might be difficult to understand native speakers sometimes, because they tend to make a lot of reductions, especially within the unstressed syllables, as a natural part of their conversations. 什么意思? Here's the deal. The schwa sound is the sound that becomes a natural part of the pronunciation of the words. On an unstressed syllable, like in the word syllable, say it with me. Syllable, syllable, syllable.
Very good.
Some may even call it a lazy sound, which is why in all the previous examples, they also all contain the schwa sound, and in many words, it serves as a neutral, toned-down replacement for an actual letter of the alphabet.
Like that also can.
Well, yes. For example, in the previous video, you may have remembered that I said this word is not pronounced as
Hello.
but rather hello. Watch, listen, and repeat. Hello. 错. It's not hello, it's hello. 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 This is the schwa sound in action. 因为有 schwa 的声音。
都唔知邊鬼個改嘅。
In the most common cases, the schwa may replace an unstressed vowel, but note that this is not always the case, as it may also appear in place of consonants at anywhere within a word, and sometimes in places where there aren't even any letters at all. 咁抽筋? Looks like we have a schwa series on our hands, so today, let's just focus first on understanding some of these vowel replacements. Take a look at some of these words with the main vowels. What if I were to tell you that there's a hidden schwa in each and every single one? A for about, not about, 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 about. About your English. What do you want to learn about? E for event, not event, event, event. Event. Come to my event. My event is free. I, as in confident, not confident, 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 confident. Become more confident. Speak English more confidently. O, as in correct, not correct, correct, correct. Correct. Correct English pronunciation. Let's help you to speak English correctly. U, as in support, not support, 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 support. I support you. We provide lifetime support.
I fool you.
As you can see, English, when spoken, is definitely not a phonetic language, and you can't simply figure out how a word is pronounced just by observing how a word is spelled. 咁樣? That's why it's important that you work with a real native pronunciation coach, if possible. You can find me at fluencysecrets.com. Also, watch as many of these videos as you can, many of which are on their way, including more lessons on this crazy little sound that we call the schwa. Schwa!
No lah.
Okay lo.
Subscribe to this channel and click on that bell to get notified as soon as the next videos are released, and you will be on your way to pronouncing English words like a native in no time.
包你講到甩甩聲。
Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one with more English fluency secrets.
I fool you.